if you are working with a small company or if you are working with the biggest companies in the world, data is always going to be a challenge. So data is always a problem. You are going to face regular data that is incomplete, data that is wrong. Most of the time, the people that need to clean that data, they are going to use Microsoft Excel and do everything by hand. You know how many errors you have using Excel spreadsheets and how vulnerable you are using Excel spreadsheets. You need to take that data, process the data, copy the data to another worksheet, and then you create your production plan. When you finish that, you receive a new demand of worksheet. So this is crazy, and this happens a lot. You need a tool that makes your team more efficient, more able to analyze the complex scenario that you have in your company and deliver you the possibilities that are going to help you make a better decision. With DataStar, we have a tool that is as easy to use as Excel, but more robust. DataStar is going to be a tool for a supply chain user, not for IT users. It still doesn't lose the capability of being flexible and robust. If you want, you can create a Python script and run inside DataStar. You can create a SQL script and run inside of DataStar and make all the pieces connected to your workflow. DataStar is going to be a game changer for us because we are going to have a tool that will help us process all the data that we need to deliver great solutions.